Is your VLOOKUP giving you the dreaded UNA error, even when the data looks like a perfect match? You've checked the spelling, it's identical, but Excel just can't find it. This is one of the most frustrating problems in Excel, but the solution is incredibly fast. I'm going to show you the invisible culprit behind this error and a 5-second trick to fix it for good. The problem is almost always invisible extra spaces. When you copy data from websites or other programs, it often brings along leading or trailing spaces. To Excel, John Smith is not the same as John Smith with leading or trailing spaces. To prove it, we use the len function, which counts every character in a cell. In a blank cell, type len and select your lookup value. Then, do the same for the value in your table. If the numbers don't match, you found the invisible character that's breaking your formula. The fix is a beautiful function called trim. It removes all extra leading and trailing spaces from text. Just go to your VLOOKUP formula and wrap your lookup value with trim. So A2 becomes trim A2. Hit enter and the UNA error is gone. If your whole data set is messy, you can clean it all at once. Insert a temporary helper column next to your data. In the top cell, type trim and select the messy cell beside it. Drag that formula all the way down. Now, just copy the new clean column and use paste special to paste only the values right over the original data. Your source data is now permanently fixed. But what if trim doesn't work? Sometimes you have non-printable characters like line breaks that trim can't remove. For that, you need its partner, the clean function. A bulletproof formula is etrim clean A1. This removes the junk characters first and then trims the extra spaces. Another common trap is numbers stored as text. Trim will remove the spaces, but the number is still seen by Excel as text. To fix this, add the value function. If this just saved you a future headache, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more practical Excel tips. The next time VLOOKUP breaks, don't panic. Use len to diagnose the problem and trim to fix it. For the really tough jobs, add clean and value to your toolkit. You're in control of your data. Thanks for watching.